Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at 80 WPM. Start. The Punjab and Haryana High Court Bar Association has written to the Director General of Police within bracket DGP Chandigarh seeking cancellation of an FIR registered against an advocate accused of cheating his client by allegedly failing to file the client's case. Stop. An FIR under Section 420 IPC has been registered against Advocate Pankaj based on a complaint filed by one Gurvinder Singh pertaining to alleged non-filing of a consumer case. Stop. Gagandeep Jammu Association's secretary expressed deep concern and strong reservation regarding registration of the said FIR, which prima facie appears to be frivolous, baseless and motivated. Stop. The letter stated that if the FIR is not cancelled, it may open a box where every disgruntled litigant may start lodging complaints against their counsel, causing undue humiliation and embarrassment and ultimately undermining the sanctity of the judicial dispensation system. Stop. The allegations, as seen in media reports, appear to be a one-sided narrative lacking proper verification and are seemingly intended to malign his reputation. Stop. The initiation of criminal proceedings without prior inquiry risks causing irreparable damage to the standing of an advocate in the eyes of the public. Stop. The letter highlights that any dispute or grievance between advocates and clients must first be examined through the appropriate legal and disciplinary mechanisms as laid down under the Advocates Act, 1961. Stop. Referring to section 35 of the Act, the letter stated that the provision empowers the State Bar Council to inquire into allegations of professional misconduct and take appropriate action, including referring any matter involving criminality to the police authorities if deemed necessary. Stop. Consequently, the association requested to refer the matter to the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana for an inquiry and determination of factual aspect. Stop. The court remarked that the truth behind this missing kidney is yet a mystery, was never investigated into, and it needs to be ascertained if there is any criminality to the case. Stop. The plea was filed by Mangat Ram Sharma, whose daughter Tanya Sharma was admitted in the HMC Hospital, Ludhiana on June 1, 2021 for surgery. Stop. The surgery was performed on June 2, 2021 by one Dr. Vyom Bhargav, spine brain surgeon, along with other doctors. Stop. Thereafter, another surgery was conducted on the deceased on June 7, 2021. Stop. However, the condition of the deceased kept on deteriorating, and unfortunately she passed away on 16/6/2021 at the hospital. Stop. The petitioner reported the matter to the police, and on the basis of his complaint, an autopsy of the deceased was conducted. Stop. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस for Punjab and Haryana Subordinate Court exam and Punjab and Haryana High Court upcoming exam. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.